Welcome to part 2 of our mini mating nook videos. Today we're in a bee yard collecting bulk bees. So we're gonna shake some young bees from the brood frames into our screen box with the screen bottom. We're shaking approximately around one and a quarter frames per every mini mating nook. We're gonna take 2 cups of bees for every mini mating nook. So that's gonna be our second step. The third step is gonna be putting the bees, the queen cell, and sugar syrup into our mini mating nooks. So let's get some bees. So our first step is to find the queen. We don't want to shake the queen into our box, so we have to see where the queen is and just collect nurse bees. I'm gonna look in the bottom box, check for the queen. There's a lot of honey and pollen in this one. Look, it's starting to collect nectar. These guys have a lot of pollen, so this would be a good candidate to put a pollen trap. So you don't want them pollen bound, but we can collect some pollen for ourselves because they have plenty for them. A lot of young brood larvae and eggs. It's laying pretty good pattern. Here she is, very nice queen. She's got a long abdomen. Yeah. Oh, right here. So my wife is holding the queen frame. Hi Mary.
Hi.
So, and I'm gonna shake like 3 frames from these guys because they have plenty. They have a couple of boxes, and we'll find other as we go. Okay, so here's the nice frame with young brood. Any field bees, they're gonna go back home, and we're gonna have left with only nurse bees. So 2. And 1 more. 3. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna go through our bee yard and collect our nurse bees, 1 and 1.5 frames for each mini mating nook for 2 cups. 2 cups of bees per nook. So we have our new mini mating nucs turned upside down. We're gonna open this bottom opening, and as you can see inside, we have our mini frames and wax that we put in, and a pheromone strip. So we're gonna dump 2 cups of bees, and then turn around, and we're gonna insert our cell and feed sugar syrup. So this is around 2 cups of bees, you can see. Inside and close it. So after we dump all these bees inside, we're gonna turn around, put the cell and feed sugar syrup, and we're gonna leave them closed overnight, and come tomorrow morning and open the entrance. Okay, the next step is to turn around our nuc. And shake the bees off and kind of bang it down so the bees go down on the bottom. And we're gonna take a cell and put it right here in the middle. And next we're gonna put some 1-to-1 sugar syrup, and that should be all. Thank you guys for watching. Happy beekeeping, and see you next time.